weeks ago, they were going to be slaughtered, and now they're getting loving homes, and you guys are going to spoil them, right?
Oh, heck yes!
Oh, see, this is awesome. That's the point of this video. And after adopting out our last 3 horses,
What a sweet little horse.
we also saved 4 donkeys who are all getting to stay together. And now we're off to help one of the biggest birds on the planet. Now we're at Maya's Animal Sanctuary, which I actually think is pretty fascinating because she helps fund it through a Twitch live stream where you can donate to give animals treats and other cool little things. And the money donated on this live stream gives animals treats and helps fund this massive animal sanctuary, which is filled with tons of exotic animals that Maya has been rehabilitating for her entire life. This is a really cool, innovative way that she's been able to fund this sanctuary and keep expanding it.